Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your Namata Sri Tanishk. So today I am going to explain you some of the various sciences. So let us start. Acoustics, the study of sound and sound waves. Acrobatics, the art of performing gymnastics. Aesthetics, the philosophy of fine arts. Aeronautics, concerned with all activities of aerial locomotion. Agrobiology, the science of plant life and plant nutrition. Agrology, a branch of soil science dealing with the production of crops. Agronomics, the science of managing land and crops. Agrostics, the study of grasses. Alchemy, chemistry in ancient times. Anatomy, the study of the structure of the animal bodies, the human body, and the plants. Anthropology, the study of the origin, physical, and cultural development of mankind. Arboriculture, cultivation of trees. Astronautics, the science dealing with the space vehicles and space travel. Astrophysics, a branch of astronomy dealing with the physical nature of heavenly bodies. Astronomy, the science of heavenly bodies concerned with observation and interpretation of the radiation received on the earth from the outer space. Bacteriology, a specialized branch of microbiology dealing with the bacteria. Astrogeology, the study of the formation and structure of the rocks and minerals in other planets. Biology, the science of living organisms, both botany and zoology together. Biochemistry, the study of chemical processes of organisms in plants and animals. Biophysics, the physics of vital processes of living organisms. Bionomy, the science of laws of life. Biometry, the application of mathematics in the study of animals, plants, and crops. Bryology, the study of mosses. Botany, the science of plant kingdom. Cardiology, a branch of medicine dealing with the heart. Carpology, the study of seeds and fruits. Ceramics, the art of making objects with the clay. Chemistry, the study of the elements, their behavior and their laws of combination, etc. Cetology, the study of aquatic mammals, especially whales. Chemotherapy, the treatment of diseases using chemical substances. Cosmetology, the study of cosmetics and their uses. Cosmography, the science that only describes the main features of the universe. Cosmology, the study of the universe, its origin, formation, structure, nature, and evolution. Dactylography, the study of fingerprints. Craniology, the study of skull. Criminology, the study of criminals. Cryptography, the study of crimes and ciphers. Dietetics, the study of diet and nutrition. Dermatology, a branch of medicine dealing with the skin. Dendrology, the study of trees. Electronics, a branch of physics and technology dealing with the behavior and uses of the electrons. Epigraphy, the study of inscriptions on stone. Entomology, the study of insects. Epidemiology, a branch of medicine dealing with the epidemic diseases. Embryology, deals with the development of embryo. Eschatology, the study of destiny and death. Etymology, a study of origin and the history of words. Ethics, psychological study of moral principles. Seismology, the study of earthquakes and related phenomena. Paleobotany, the study of fossil plants. Paleozoology, the study of animal fossils. Paleontology, the study of fossils and the ancient life forms. Metallurgy, the process of extraction of metals from the ores. Metallography, the study of crystalline structures of metals and alloys. Heliotherapy, the treatment of diseases by sun rays. Hematology, a branch of medicine studying the blood and its disorders. Hepatology, a branch of medicine dealing with the liver and its diseases. Hydrostatics, the study of forces and pressures in liquid. Hydrodynamics, the study of forces, energy and pressures in liquid in motion. Odontography, a description of the earth. Oology, a branch of science dealing with the eggs, especially eggs of the birds. Orology, the study of mountains. Ornithology, the study of birds. Ophthalmology, a branch of medicine dealing with the eye and its diseases. Optics, the study of eyesight. Teridology, the study of ferns. Zoology, a branch of biology dealing with the study of animal life. So friends, these are some of the various sciences which I have learnt in this lockdown period. So I suggest you to learn the same. Thank you for watching my video.